every March and April of every year is the harvest season for onion. There is bumper harvest, onion is abundant. This year, in March and April, onion was sold for 22,000. And the same onion in October, it was sold for 230,000 naira per bag. Now, you ask yourself, what is wrong? What is wrong is we lack modern storage facility to be able to save our post-harvest losses. Now, imagine any one of the audience decided to set up an onion storage facility that we just store with an investment of 10 million naira. That means by this time, you are going to make 7 times of your investment. 7 times. So, and also, but currently we have someone who has built 10,000 metric ton storage facility in Kano, but it's not enough. Compare 10,000 with 2 million. It's insignificant. We also have a processing plant in Sokoto with a capacity of 30,000 metric ton annually. 30,000 plus 10 is 40,000. From above 2 million is still insignificant. So my audience, I have given you a business case. You have to think about it. Come to Sokoto, come to Kebbi, go to Kano, and make real money.